Hi Ottoman Gardeners, welcome back to the Ottoman Gardening YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ottoman Gardener. Come join me in growing generations by generations. So Ottoman Gardeners, in today's exciting sprouting video, I decided it was going to be a fun topic to have a multi-gardener collab on this channel and sort of do our favorite plant for the year 2021. So I know we're a bit late on this, but all of our schedules have been packed full and we did it when time permitted. And so we have two presenters that are going to be presenting on this channel. So they're going to be presenting first and then I'm going to be the last one. So we're all going to be talking about our favorite plant for the year 2021. So our first presenter is going to be Brooke from the Vintage Gardener, New Jersey. Both presenters' YouTube channel links are going to be down below in the description box below. So go show them some love and go hit subscribe. Then check out their amazing content. So without further ado, here's Brooke.
Hi Ottoman Gardeners, my name is Brooke and I'm coming to you from Burlington County, New Jersey, which is Zone 7A. So today I'm here to share with you my flower obsession from 2021, which are chrysanthemums. And I'm not talking about the ones you get from the store in fall, I'm talking about heirloom chrysanthemums. Heirloom chrysanthemums, for whatever reason, have fallen out of fashion in this country to the point that a lot of growers have shut down and there's only one supplier in this country. There's been real concern that the plant was going to die out. But these flowers are finally experiencing a comeback, y'all. There is a chrysanthemum craze going on, and it is super difficult to get your hands on these varieties because when they're available, they sell out in an instant. Last year, I joined not one, but two chrysanthemum societies to attempt to get some cultivars. I also scoured the internet. Last year, I got 26 different varieties, and this year, I started early and I have 58 varieties on order, and of course, I'm always looking for more. Now, the great thing about chrysanthemums is they start blooming in September, which is when the weather starts cooling and most things start either slowing down their production of flowers or they stop altogether. If you have enough varieties of chrysanthemums, you can get blooms from September through, I would say, around like Thanksgiving. Okay? Now, the great thing about chrysanthemums is that they can handle some pretty cold temperatures. Now the thing is, chrysanthemums are perennial as long as you plant them early. So if you plant your heirloom chrysanthemums around June, you should be set for years to come. I'm planning to do a spectacular fall display with all the new mums that I'm getting this year. And if you'll like to see it, you'll have to follow me on Instagram or come visit my channel. So Manuel, thank you so much for having me visit so I can talk to you guys about my latest flower obsession. And Ultimate Gardeners, I'll see you later.
Ultimate Gardeners, you guys saw Brooke's amazing presentation and I can't wait to see what Brooke has in store for this year, and I can't wait to all of us tag along with her. So the next presenter, you guys seen her before, which is Jennifer from Forever Blooms with Jennifer. This is an amazing gardener, you guys. I've met her since day one. She's an amazing gardener that grows in New Jersey. She grows all different types of veggies and flowers. So go check out her channel. Her link is going to be down below as well. So go check it out and give her a subscribe. And so without further ado, here's Jennifer.
Hi everyone, my name is Jen and I am with Forever Blooms. So I have a channel here in southern New Jersey. We are Zone 7A. You won't be able to tell that by looking at the several inches of snow on the ground right now, but I promise you we have a very long growing season. Well, long growing season in my book. We usually go from mid-May all the way through mid-October, and if you do any of the to cover your crops and stuff like that and extend your season, you can garden for even longer in New Jersey, and I have done that on my channel. I am here today to talk about my favorite plant of 2021. Now that honor goes to GASHIRA camellia. So GASHIRA camellia is an evergreen plant that grows in zone 7 through zone 10. So because we are a warmer-ish climate, we're able to grow camellias here in southern New Jersey. Now you can't tell now, I wish that I had taken this footage before it was covered in snow, but there is a new hedge here of GASHIRA camellias, these plants here. And up until a few weeks ago, actually, even though it's snowing right now and it was really, really cold even before it was snowing, they were blooming. So that is why they are my favorite plant of 2021. I have found that personally, the things that bring me joy in the garden are the things that hold me over until the next growing season. Because I always miss my garden in the winter and in the fall when everything starts to slow down. There's a little bit of relief, but also you get to the point in the winter where you miss it. So that's where I am right now. And until recently, these beauties were blooming and bringing me lots of joy. So it's really important for me to have some kind of winter interest personally. That's why I love hellebores and fall and winter blooming camellias and things like that bloom when it's cold out. So something to think about when you're picking things for your garden, guys. Bye.
So, to gardeners, you guys seen both amazing presentations from Jennifer and Brooke, and now it's time for me to showcase my favorite plant of the year 2021. That is super simple for me to personally make, and that honor does go to the Bruley Hardy Hibiscus. Me personally, I've grown tropical hibiscus all year round, every day, every single day. I love hibiscus, I'm a hibiscus head, but this hibiscus brought some other delicate and amazing look in the garden. It's a compacted bush, it gives a lavender-like flower, and it's super amazing because it's a non-stop bloomer. Our temperatures here in Florida has been very weird to the point where most of all of our hibiscus that are considered hardy hibiscus unfortunately did die, and unfortunately the Bruley was one of them that did die in this weird shift of temperatures because it started pushing out new leaves and then it didn't, and then to the point where it just got confused and then died. I'll see if I could get my hands on another plant because this is an amazing plant, you guys. Super fun to take care of and super easy to maintain, and it's just an amazing plant you could tuck into your landscape, and they are super easy to design with, and they're just amazing in general. So to main gardeners, that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, a huge shout out to Brooke and Jennifer for tagging along in this video. It was such an amazing honor to have them on the channel. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, please consider subscribing to show your amazing support towards the Ultimate Gardening channel. We are close to 2,000 subscribers, so please help me out a bit and get me to that next goal. Also, please share with your friends and families to help other generations learn where their food comes from, but not only that, learn how to grow it. Thank you all so much for watching, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.